Hi guys, I'm back. So today is gonna be a 2 album unboxing. I just got them today. So I upload in real time. So I unbox them. I know what I have already, but I still want to share, of course. So I got them today. I'm gonna upload this video today. So same day, yes. But what I'm gonna be, look it, it's gonna be Ateez's Fever and Wonho's Right for Us second mini album. So I'm just gonna start off right away. I didn't mark anything off, I just, yeah. So first off, the photo cards. I was lucky, I pulled 2 magnets. Look at both Wonho. So amazing. And then the photo book. So just do it real quick, one of each member. Oh, look at him. He looks so pretty, y'all-san. You know, the one thing I love about new albums, by the way they smell, I don't know what it is. It's just, the new album smell. I love it. I love it. And I just picked these albums, these versions, because they looked pretty. And I didn't know the photo concepts for any of them, but I'm glad I did because they look so good. So that was the photo book. Now for the lyric cards. They all have the lyrics on the back. Hongjoon. Oh my god, he's gorgeous. And this one has a track list. That's that. And then stickers. I don't know what to do with any of these stickers that I have from these albums. I don't know where I should put them. No idea. But that was Ateez. So now on to Wonho's. Oh, this one was thick. It was a thick book. I don't know, I haven't translated it yet, but this is what I got. The photo card, the bookmark, I love stickers, gorgeous, and these little things. I don't know where I would put these either. Okay, now just a couple of photos from this. Oh, let me show the CD first. Oh, it's upside down. Ah. Oh, Jesus. There's the CD. And then the cover of the book. Now for a couple of photos. Just gonna show a few. Oh God. Nope. Jesus Christ, this man. And then on the back it has the lyrics. But yep, that was it for this album as well. It was pretty quick. I made it short, or tried to make it short. I don't know what my next albums will be, so yeah, till then, bye.